Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to safely undervolt your CPU. First of all, you will need to download ThrottleStop. Go to Google and type ThrottleStop, then go to Tech Power Up website and download the latest stable release, which in this case is 9.6. Once you have downloaded it, extract ThrottleStop. I have already extracted it. After that, launch ThrottleStop. The first time you launch ThrottleStop, it will give you a dialog box saying use ThrottleStop at your own risk. Don't worry, it's completely safe. Click on OK to continue. Now, click Turn On to turn ThrottleStop on. Leave everything else as it is on the main screen. Click on Options and check the Start Minimized and Minimize on Close box. Now if you have an NVIDIA GPU, select NVIDIA GPU, and if you have an AMD GPU, select AMD GPU and click OK. Now we will perform a test to see the maximum temperature of our CPU before undervolting, and then we will compare it to the maximum temperature after undervolting to see the difference. Click on TS Bench, select 960M from the size column, and click Start to start the test. Monitor your CPU temperature in the temperature column. After the test is finished, notice your maximum temperature so that we have something to compare to. You can see that the CPU temperature has reached 100 degrees and it is thermal throttling as well. Now, we will start our undervolting process. Click on FIVR, then select CPU core under the FIVR control panel and check Unlock Adjustable Voltage, then start decreasing the offset voltage by intervals of 20 to 25 millivolts. Don't touch anything else other than the offset voltage. You also have to decrease the CPU cache voltage the same as the CPU core voltage. After you have adjusted the voltage, select Do Not Save Voltages so that if your system crashes, your settings would reset to default. Then click Apply and run the test to see if the CPU is stable at this voltage. If the CPU is stable and does not crash, decrease the voltage again by 20 to 25 millivolts. Keep on repeating this process until your system crashes. Then set your CPU at the last stable voltage and select Save Voltages immediately and apply. I know my CPU can do 130 millivolts, so I will set it to 130 millivolts. After you have done this, it's time to set the Intel integrated GPU voltages. Click on Intel GPU and again repeat the same process of decreasing the voltages by small intervals. Note that you have to decrease the iGPU unslice voltage as well for the GPU undervolt to apply. After finding perfect voltages for your CPU and integrated graphics, perform a final test to see if everything is working fine. You can see that now our temperature does not go above 86 degrees and the frequency is also constant at 3.9 GHz, which is a perfect temperature under full load. Now the thing is that most modern-day laptops have shared heat pipes for both CPU and GPU. That means if your GPU overheats, your CPU will also be affected by that, and vice versa. So for the best possible results, you must undervolt both your CPU and GPU. We will learn how to undervolt your GPU in the next video, so stay tuned for that. If you liked the video, please leave a like, share and subscribe, and until next time, goodbye.